Keeping records for your tax return is easier with the ATO app's myDeductions tool. You can skip the hassle of lost and faded receipts by recording transactions in the app as you go. If you're an employee, you can easily record work-related expenses for your car, travel, uniform, self-education, interest, and dividends. You can also record your receipts for gifts or donations, the cost of managing your tax affairs, and other deductions. If you're a sole trader, you can record your business income, repair and maintenance costs, motor vehicle, and other expenses. To record expenses or income, just add the amount, the date of the transaction, and an accurate description. If you're in a hurry, snap a photo of your receipt or invoice and add the details later. The data is stored on your device, so remember to back up as you go. It's best to back up to a separate location, for example, via email or a cloud service, in case your device is lost or broken. At tax time, you can upload the data to pre-fill your tax return, so either you or your tax agent can lodge. Or you can email the detailed data to your tax agent for them to review and lodge. Never miss a deduction again. Download the free ATO app and start using myDeductions today.